Dear viewers, I plan to explain about Python application program. Long back I am not yet uploaded any videos, so I plan to start with Python application programming. In this regard, I plan to explain from the basics to the database connectivity level. So each and every topics I plan to cover with the example program, so that it will be very much useful for you peoples to understand the Python application program in a very well manner, and you can get a hands-on experience in Python application programming. One more thing I want to explain in this case, you can do the exercises, whatever the exercises I am telling in the particular video. You can do the exercise and you can put in the comment as a response, so that I can able to correct your videos, and I can able to give comments on that particular responses. So here one more thing, we are moving with the topics in Python application programming. What and all topics we plan to explain in this particular Python application programming, that we will go one by one. So here this is the section A. Here we are having the basic topics in Python. Why should you learn to write programs? What is the necessity of programs? Because a lot of people are facing problem in understanding programming, as well as they are facing difficulty in writing programming. Some of the people are mugging up the programs, so that will not be a good practice on writing programs. So that we have to practice the program with a confident. So whatever the program you are writing, you have to write with confident. So that level we have to practice. So I want to train you peoples in such a way. So please watch the videos continuously, so that you can understand each and every topics in a very well manner. So in section A, we going to learn why should you learn to write programs and variables about Python, and expressions and statements in Python, and conditional executions in Python, and functions in Python. So next to this, we are having section B. There we are having iterations and strings, files, all these things, how we are proceeding this iteration, strings and files in Python. These topics we going to cover in section B. In section C, we have list, dictionaries, tuples, and regular expressions. So apart from other programming language, we have dictionaries in Python and tuples in Python. So regular expressions also doing a major work in Python. So these are all the things we going to learn in section C in Python programming language. In section D, we are having class and objects, and class and functions, and class and methods. So these three topics we going to learn in section D. So how object oriented concepts we are learning in Python, object for the class, how to call the methods inside the class. All these things we going to learn in the section D. So this particular topic will be very much useful in creation of classes and calling methods, method overloading, method overriding. All these things will be happened in this particular section. Section E, we are having network programs and web services, how we can able to make web services in Python, and database connectivity with use of SQL and Python code. All these things we are discussing here. So web services, when we are going, we have three different phases: front end and application programming and back end. So here database connectivity with the front end and application programming, how it's happening, all these things we going to learn. All these topics I plan to give with a sample code, and I will type the code and I will explain the code in the video, so that you can easily understand the code, and you can easily practice the code from your end. So I want to make you understand the topics in easy manner. So that's what I started this particular video sessions. So already I done with Java and design analysis of algorithms. If you are interested, you can go through that with very short materials, what and all the equipments I am having. With use of that, I recorded the previous things, and hereafter I am recording with use of this particular software, so that you can able to hear the voice properly, as well as you can able to see the video clarity also in a proper way. So I hope this particular videos will be very much useful. So this topics I plan to cover in the further sessions. So I plan to start one by one in the future weeks. So please subscribe my channel and support, so that you can able to share the videos to your friends or relatives, those who are need of learning Python. So this particular videos will be very much useful for you peoples. Thank you very much.